We're firing up the grill for something bold, flavorful, and absolutely irresistible. Spicy garlic Panacheeza chicken skewers. Start with your plant-based chicken. Cut them into 1-inch pieces, big enough to stay juicy on the grill, but small enough to cook through quickly. Add a drizzle of olive oil, then sprinkle over a generous amount of barbecue seasoning. This gives our skewers that smoky, savory base flavor. Toss until every piece is glistening and coated in those spices. Now thread the chicken onto skewers. While those rest, we'll make the flavor bomb that makes these skewers over the top. Spicy garlic Panacheeza butter. Melt plant-based butter, fresh chopped garlic, parsley, and our hot and spicy Panacheeza for that cheesy, peppery kick. Add a splash of buffalo sauce for the tang and heat, plus a little salt and pepper. Mix until smooth and creamy. Preheat your grill to medium, around 350 degrees, and place your skewers right over the heat. Once achieved, brush that spicy garlic Panacheeza butter on. Leave for a few minutes and turn over, basting the other side. The heat will melt it right into the chicken, giving you layers of flavor in every bite. Once the chicken is cooked through and beautifully golden, pull them off the grill. Brush your remaining sauce for extra richness and finish with fresh parsley. Smoky, spicy, garlicky, and loaded with Panacheeza flavor, these skewers are a guaranteed crowd pleaser. Okay, let's try these chicken skewers. Take a piece off. These are very juicy, just the right amount of spice, buttery, and cheesy. These are a winner.